Nexar produces a line of dash cams designed with smartphone integration in mind. The Pro is Nexar's mid-level camera offering front and interior recording at 1080p resolution. What makes this camera stand out is how easy it is to set up and manage. There are many products available to choose best dash cams, each with different characteristics, benefits, and prices, to help you make an informed decision. I did extensive research, read tons of reviews, and compiled a list of the dash cams from reputable brands. After much research, I found these products much helpful for people like you. If you want to know about the price and other information, be sure to check my description. So without any further delay, let's jump into the video. Number 1. Nexar Beam GPS Dash Cam. The Nexar Beam is a slightly stripped-down version of the Nexar Pro. While it does not have a rear-facing camera, the Beam shares many of the same strengths as the Pro, but at a lower price. This dash cam is user-friendly, offers workable video quality, and footage is easily managed through the Nexar app. Our experience. As mentioned, the Nexar Beam shares many of the same advantages and drawbacks of the Nexar Pro. The main difference is that the Beam doesn't have an interior-facing camera. If such a camera is not useful to you, the Beam is an attractive, less expensive alternative to the Pro. Everything about this camera is designed for ease of use. It has a suction mount, very few buttons, and comes with a microSD card included. The Nexar app is sleek and well designed when it works. Footage is automatically saved as well as location data. The app allows you to create. Number 2. Nexar Pro Dual Dash Cam. Nexar produces a line of dash cams designed with smartphone integration in mind. The Pro is Nexar's mid-level camera offering front and interior recording at 1080p resolution. What makes this camera stand out is how easy it is to set up and manage. We recommend the Nexar Pro for those who want to use a dash cam with as little hassle as possible. Our experience. Out of the box, the Nexar stands above other dash cams. Everything is packaged and labeled for as painless a setup as possible. The instructions are the most straightforward and pared down of any dash cam that we tested. This camera even comes with a microSD card, which isn't typically included with a dash cam. The forward-facing camera has a suction mount, though the interior camera has an adhesive mount. The recording quality is okay. If you want to record at a higher resolution, you could upgrade to the Nexar one. Number 3. Garmin Dash Cam Mini 2. Garmin offers a line of dash cameras, each with different features, price points, and sizes. The Mini 2 is designed to be small and easy to use. While it doesn't include some extra features like 60 FPS recording or GPS, it offers good video quality and an excellent interface. We recommend the Mini 2 for those who want low-profile dash cams for multiple vehicles. The Garmin Dash Cam app is designed to sync across multiple cameras, meaning you can manage all of your dash cam footage from one convenient source. Our experience. Garmin products are very user-friendly. This camera is small and attaches to a swivel mount that makes it easy to position. However, this camera does use an adhesive mount, which can come unglued in especially hot temperatures. Given the light weight of the Mini 2, however, this isn't especially likely. It's very easy to mount and unmount the camera from. Number 4. Kingslim D5 4K Dash Cam. The Kingslim D5 is one of the highest resolution dash cams you'll find for under $100. It offers recording at 60 frames per second, FPS, as well as an exceptionally wide 170-degree view. This camera's broad operating temperature, -4 degrees Fahrenheit to 140 degrees Fahrenheit, makes it an appropriate dash cam for almost any environment. This dash cam is an excellent choice for those who want to record their surroundings in full 4K at a relatively low cost. Our experience. The Kingslim D5 is low profile and can easily tuck behind a rearview mirror. However, the installation system could be better. This camera uses an adhesive mount that only tilts up and down, making it more difficult to adjust than a swivel mount. It is also difficult to disconnect the camera from the mount for review. Once installed, the camera has an easy-to-navigate interface. The D5 pairs with a free app that allows users to access footage and download files. This camera does not easily connect to a computer. Like many newer dashcams, it seems designed primarily to be used with the accompanying app. Of course, if your PC has a South Dakota card reader, you can still access files from the camera. Number 5. Vantrue N2S 4K Dash Cam. The Vantrue N2S is an excellent all-around dash cam with high recording resolution. The camera mounts on your front windshield and features a rear-facing camera that looks into the cabin. It even features a parking mode that can detect collisions and start recording while your car is parked. We recommend the Vantrue N2S if you often drive at night or in dark areas. It's especially helpful if you drive in a rural community with fewer streetlights. The camera records the highest quality nighttime video of all the products we tested, and you can use the infrared function to get even better images in especially dark situations. The cabin-facing camera can also be useful for Uber or Lyft drivers. Our experience. There's a lot to love about the Vantrue N2S, and we found it offers similar video quality to the Kingslim. The camera also looks great, and the horizontal design makes it easy to hide behind your rearview mirror. The Vantrue is as easy to install as a dash cam could be. The camera attaches to your interior windshield via a suction mount, which is—
That's all from my end. I make helpful videos daily, so do subscribe to my channel and hit the bell notification. To get more information or if you want to know product price, please do check my description. For any kind of problem, please comment below so I can help you further. Life is short, so enjoy every bit of your life with our cool products, as it is going to make your life much easier. Thanks for watching, have a great day.